What's up, guys? We're at our first car meet of the year, and it's like March 9th or 10th. And I wasn't gonna film because I thought it was just gonna be whack, like a lot of beat pickup trucks and crap. But there's actually some decent stuff that showed up, even though the rolls are salty and crappy, and it's gonna go back to being 40s. You know what? I'll take you guys through a quick walkthrough of like one of our first legit meets in Buffalo. Oh man, this was done right. Looks factory, man. 5.0 Whipple. This thing's kind of weird. It caught my eye. It's a four-door. It sounded pretty good. Sounded boosted. He was revving up. And then, I don't know if you can see through the tint, it's right-hand drive. This thing's neat. Dude, for this being March, this is insane that these cars are out here. I actually really like these Kia Stingers, man. I didn't realize they were as quick as they were. They make them in cool colors. Dude, Kia's come a long way. These cars used to be a joke. I love when one dude revs, it just like starts a thing with everybody else. Yo, as you guys can see, I'm standing on a giant mountain of snow here in a parking lot in Buffalo. I mean, it's still kind of cold out today. It was like 61 degrees, it was like record setting. But this is like a crazy legit meet. Like some decent stuff came out. So I wasn't even expecting this. So like and subscribe, short little clip, but I know the season's gonna be sick, guys. Stay tuned. Like I said, guys, there's a lot of crap at this meet too, though. You know, you just gotta like avoid all the dorks and stuff. Door handle. All right, buddy, let's go.